We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So recently I've gotten a lot of questions about hyperpigmentation. Maddie, what can I do to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation? How do I get rid of it altogether? And today I'm here to share with you all my tips and my tricks. Now I will have a video coming out in a few days on a demo of some products that I've been trying out for hyperpigmentation that you can purchase and that you do not have to make, or you don't have to make any home remedies. You can just go out and buy these products, but that will be coming out in a few days. So definitely stay tuned for it. But right now I'm going to share with you all some simple hacks and some simple things that you can use in order to get rid of hyperpigmentation at home. Let's go ahead and let's get started. First, let's start by talking a little bit about hyperpigmentation and about where it comes from. Pigmentation is the coloring of the skin. Melanin is a type of pigment in the skin. People have different levels of melanin in their skin, which accounts for their skin's overall color. However, the skin may create too much melanin in a specific area, causing the skin to darken. And this is what we call hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation tends to only affect patches of the skin, though in some cases it may affect the whole body. Now, home remedies might not work in each and every single case, but y'all know that I have to share with you all a home remedy to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation at home. I could not leave you all hanging, because when you're looking to reduce the appearance of something, all things are worth the try, right? Home remedies aim to either replenish or protect the cells, or replace hyperpigmented cells with fresh new cells. Now, most home remedies involve antioxidants and acids in most products, which can help to protect the balance of the skin. So a few of the acids that we have is lactic acid, citric acid, glycolic acid, and salicylic acid. Those are just 4 of the acids that can be used for treating hyperpigmentation. So those are all the acids that I have to share with you all. Now let me share with you all products that you more than likely already have within your home that you can use for this. And if you don't, you know I got you covered. Check out the description box for a list of all the products that will be mentioned in today's video. First up, we have apple cider vinegar. Many people use apple cider vinegar on the skin to try and lighten unwanted pigmentation. Apple cider vinegar may act as a chemical pill in a lot of cases. To use this remedy, apply 1 part apple cider vinegar and 1 part water to the pigmented area for a few minutes, twice daily. Rinse the area thoroughly after, and that should help to lighten up that hyperpigmentation. Now keep an eye out for any type of irritation. This is something that is very important when it comes to putting products on your skin. The best thing that I recommend to all of my Glam fam is that you always do a patch test with all products that you try. Reason being is because you could end up having an allergic reaction to that specific product. And if you're having an allergic reaction to it, we definitely don't want you using it over here at the Glam fam. So don't forget to do a patch test, whether it be on your arm, just an area that cannot be seen if there is any type of allergic reaction. But if you don't have an allergic reaction, continue on with what you may be using. Next up, we have yogurt or milk. Now, milk baths can be extremely helpful to you if you suffer from hyperpigmentation. I can definitely make a video about milk baths in the future, but that is another great reason to take a milk bath. But let me not go off topic. Let me share with you all this great information about yogurt or milk, either one you'd like to use. Yogurt and milk both contain lactic acid, which is a common ingredient used in chemical pills for the skin. These foods can help with mild hyperpigmentation. Applying yogurt or milk directly to the area that is affected by hyperpigmentation, or soaking a cotton ball in milk and applying it directly to that area may both be helpful home remedies for getting off that hyperpigmentation. Now let the yogurt or milk sit for a few minutes and then rinse the area thoroughly and apply a moisturizer of your choice. Repeating this process 2 times a day may help some people to improve their hyperpigmentation. Next up, we have a tried and true within this household, which is aloe vera. Applying aloe vera directly to a pigmented area on the skin is a great way to reduce hyperpigmentation over time. So if you don't have an aloe vera, I suggest you get you some, whether it be in plant form and or in the form of something that is already extracted. I will have the links listed down below. And these are just a few ways to reduce hyperpigmentation at home. These products work wonders for the skin, and I definitely hope that this helps my ladies and gents that are suffering from hyperpigmentation. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And before I leave out of here, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your lovely comment, and thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting me. And if you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.